What are you doing here?
I am finding your wife's real husband.
What do you mean, real husband?
She said she married a man, not a donut with legs.
Oh, man.
About a dog, can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car?
Alexa, play music.
Alexa, stop! I'm gonna take Alexa out of this house.
Wait, what? Don't do that, Mom. Ow.
Oh,
What?
what?
Are you mocking me?
Are you laughing at me?